So today is Saturday, May 21st, and never imagined this would happen to me, and especially not at this time of my life. But it looks like I just lost everything, or almost everything. The funny thing is, this same day, a few years ago, was one of the best days of my life. Um, and a few years, actually 2 years ago, I was about to publish my book at this time as well. Um, so I guess this is the destiny against me. So it seems that the irony that something as bad as this can happen on a day that's supposed to be very uh, hopeful day for me. Fortunately, it looks like the Rambler is still intact. It's probably the only thing that I've got left now. But yeah, my home is gone. That tree is about to fall in the truck. Fortunately, I don't have another place to move the truck, so we're going to try to race against time to get those stones over there moved out of the way so that I can get the truck in there, because again, yesterday I had a problem with the truck. So it does feel like sometimes I feel like if God does exist, that he's against me. I know people are gonna say, well, there's always somebody off that's worse than you. Somebody that's starving to death in some place in Nigeria or something like that. But it's sad, right? Like I don't know what I'm gonna do. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do. At this point, but I've always found a way. So dump truck is still intact. Kind neighbor just came by to see if everybody was all right. He lost his car. Just heard he lost his car. Fortunately, the white truck will still be usable, I guess. Not sure about the operation of this door, though. And that was my home. I'm sure I can probably repair that. That there, I don't know. There was no one in this home here, but that's gone as well. Shut the gas off. Well, fortunately, we were able to hide here in the container. Sea can. And this is a powerful jack. It looks like it just split the tree open in half. My tire changing machine is probably gone as well. mean, at least this part, like, we can still kind of use this here. It looks like a abandoned, destroyed military post or something, like off of World War II or something. But yeah, my clothes were in there. Well, I still have some clothes here, but those are my shoes, all wet now, and I've got no way to dry them here. It's like the TV and the PS3 are still alive. Yay, we'll still be able to kill some zombies. My shower way back there. Just gonna do a video of a super shower being used in the motorhome, but I guess it's not happening now. So I don't know what to do. I don't know what we're gonna what's the plan from here. I had a plan and now it's completely destroyed, literally. But I've been through I've been through worst situations in my life, for sure. For sure, I've been through worse than this. At least I still have the land. Whereas before I didn't even have that. So at least we didn't have too much money into the motorhome, but it's everything, like, it becomes impossible to work here without a home. We kind of have to be here for me to be able to work on the property here. I have to be here. I don't know anybody around. And I don't really take charity because everybody has their own problems. But I really don't know what's the what the next move is. It's definitely going to set me back quite a bit. I had a New Year's resolution and I was working towards keeping it, but now with this here, so well, at least I wasn't in here when this happened. I actually saw it happening. Just a very, very nasty storm. It lasted just a few seconds. But it was very, very powerful, very strong storm. A few seconds, did what it did, and disappeared. Well, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.